Hello viewers, you are with Z Studios and this is the first episode of the tutorial series How to Make Games. I am Kasra Zanaya with my co-speaker
Jasuke.
Firstly, I would like to clear for what type of users, what type of viewers, learners this video tutorial series is good for.
For the beginners, of course, it's for the beginners, for those who
don't know any aspect of development of game, either they don't know 3D modeling, animation, scripting or any other aspect of game development.
We try to teach, we have tried to help them, and through this video, if you really want to have some of those, you can watch this video, and through this video, hopefully you will be able to guide yourselves easily.
First of all, what you need to have to make games is a game engine, the software which is required for developing the game. There are many softwares in which you can make games like 3D Game Maker, Unreal Game Engine, FPS Creator and many more, but the software on which we are going to teach you how to make game is Unity 3D, which you can download from their website, which is unity3d.com. Go to unity3d.com and click on the download section. You can download Unity 3D for free over here.
Well, it is free from now, but previously it was of $100. It's free on this.
Yes, it used to be of $100, but now they are giving it for free. You just simply need to click on this link to download the Unity 3D for Windows version.
But if you are developing on Mac OS, then you have to click on the link down below, and then later on it's for the Mac users, and the other one is for the Windows.
Yes, if you are using Mac, then you need to click on the link. Just simply by clicking on this link, download the Unity 3D, install it, register it. After downloading, registering, and when you will open Unity, you will notice that scene is open, example project is already over there.
But if you don't find the first appearance of this Unity 3 editor with the scene on it, then you can click on the scene written down below, named as Angry Boots.
Yes, you can click on Angry Bot and then you will get this scene opened. You can see that there is a rectangular type of game object which comes along with Unity 3D. If you want to test the game, you just simply need to click on the play button. And this is the best thing about Unity 3D, that it loads the test section very urgently, very fastly. So it is very easy for you to make game or test games. In other software engines, you cannot test the game that hurry.
And the effects, of course, the effects are really good.
Effects, the sound effects, the visual effects, the particle effects.
All of them are very fascinating.
Yes, very fascinating. And this project over here is not very hard to make with Unity 3D. You just need 1 to 2 months to make game like this. Although you can also make games like car racing game and first person shooter game. This one is third person shooter game, but you can make all kinds of games with using Unity 3D. This is an example project. Click on the play button back to come back to your editor's menu. Now I'm going to give you a little overview of the editor. There are certain tabs which you can set the layout according to your comfortability. Like I always used to put my scene tab at the top right here. I used to put my game tab over here. You can even shuffle these tabs along other, like I have placed the game tab over here or over there. Now I'm going to give you the overview that what these tabs do. First, the scene tab. The scene tab shows all the elements that are included in the scene. This box over here in which you can see the graphics is the scene tab. It shows all the game objects that are included in the game. The other tab is the game tab. It shows that how your game will look when you will hit the play button or you will build the game. The Hitachi tab. This tab will show you all the game objects that you have included in the game engine in an Hitachi form, like parent-child form. The other is the project panel. This project panel includes all the files, all the elements that you have included in your project. For example, if you have not included a car in the scene that you can see over here, but you have a car in your project, then you cannot access it from the Hitachi menu, but you can access it from project menu. And the last tab that is remaining is the inspector tab. This tab shows the properties and characteristics of certain game object or the project element. Like if I click on this project element, I can see all the characteristics and everything of this element, and if I click on this player button, then I can also again test it
this was the small description about how Unity 3D works
and about how the editor works and how
you can use it.
How you can change the layout and how you can use it. So this is all for now.
And in the very fair distance coming future, we will be giving more of our tutorial videos to help and guide.
On the next week, we will be able to access our next episode of the tutorial. For then, this is Kasra Zanaya
and Jasuke.
Goodbye for now.